This technique takes 1 week or less to complete and is founded on the lessons of Neville Goddard. The hidden technique is simple and enjoyable. If you want to easily create bigger goals in your life, you must watch this video until the end because it will help you get everything you want. But before we begin, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon if you haven't already so that you can view more videos from this channel. Now let's get started. While Neville Goddard was a renowned mystic writer in the previous century, his teachings have revolutionized and transformed the lives of millions of people. People who studied his teachings and put them into practice became effective in all aspects of their lives. He suggested numerous methods for manifesting desires through the power of thought. However, the method I'm going to teach in this video is one that most people don't know about. Before I share the technique with you, I'd like to explain how it functions on a fundamental level so that you can make the most of it. If you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand, Neville Goddard said. Everything that enters your mind as an idea or thought can be achieved by you. And if you can picture yourself having it, you will have it. This technique is based on the law of assumption, and it is what the law of assumption states. You will make optimistic assumptions about what you desire in this method because, according to Neville Goddard, assumptions harden into realities. All you have to do is trust that your assumptions are true. Assumptions and imaginations are essential topics that are frequently addressed in the manifesting community. Our thoughts influence our behaviors. So, if we make positive assumptions about our goals, we will take positive action and eventually actualize our desires. So, let me go over the method step by step. The first step is to identify your goal. To clarify your goal, ask yourself what it is and why you want it. Knowing the reason for your goal allows you to understand yourself better and make the best use of your imagination. You may have many goals, but you must choose the best for you. You may become confused here, but as I previously stated, you should understand the reason for each one of your goals in order to make a more informed decision. Assume you want to manifest money. Why do you want to bring money into your life? What do you intend to do with your money? What do you intend to purchase with the money you wish to manifest? This is how you get clear on your desire, which is important because it allows you to find more of it. You want to manifest money. That implies you want to buy a house or a car, or you want to start a company. You need to look into the specifics of your desire and examine it from every angle. You can manifest any of your goals using this technique, but as you know, you manifest using the power of your thoughts. You think, and your ideas become a reality. When you attempt to manifest multiple things simultaneously, your mind becomes confused. You claim you want money, you want a career, you want affection, and you need a new house. All these will confuse your mind. Therefore, it's ideal if you use this method to manifest just one desire at a time. And once that one is fulfilled, you can use it for another. If you attempt to manifest numerous desires using this method, you will either become confused or your manifestation will take longer. So you have to decide which one of your desires you want to manifest first, and then look into it. This is the first step towards realizing your dream. So once you've completed this stage, you'll be ready to move on to the next. This stage entails writing down your goals as affirmations. Simply write your affirmations on a sheet of paper. I suggest using tiny sticky notes. Now, what is the ideal way to write your goals? You have to act as if you have manifested your wish, that it has been done, and that you are now experiencing it. For example, suppose you want to manifest a particular quantity of money. You must now assume that you have manifested money. So what should your affirmations be in that situation? In that case, your affirmation should be something like, I have manifested money. I have manifested $2,000 in my life. Or let's say you want to manifest a job. In that case, your affirmation should be something along the lines of, I'm thankful because I got the job I wanted. So that's how you create affirmations, and jot them down on a piece of paper or sticky notes. The goal of these affirmations is to keep reminding yourself that you have manifested so that your mind can believe it. You can make these affirmations in your smartphone's backgrounds so that you can see them every time you check your phone. Stick these sticky notes to your bathroom mirror so you can read them again and again whenever you go in to take a bath. Somewhere in your bedroom or even your workplace, in a place where you will see them most of the time. The primary idea is to convince your mind that you have manifested your dream, and this is the simplest and quickest way that takes almost no additional effort. Now you can say these affirmations aloud as well. When you are alone, you can repeat these affirmations to yourself at any time of the day. You can even record them in your journal every day. When you do and repeat them on a daily basis, they become imprinted in your mind, and your mind begins to believe that you have manifested your wishes. Affirmations and visualizations can be combined. Visualizations are an effective method to persuade your mind that you have manifested your goal. The issue now is how to combine visualizations with affirmations. Simply put, you will think and feel as if you have manifested your wish. If you want, you can envision an imaginary scenario at any time of day. For example, if you want to manifest a big sum of money, picture yourself receiving a notification on your smartphone. You open your smartphone and read the message, and your face lights up because your bank account has been credited with $5,000. You go shopping with your ATM card. You purchase everything you want, settle your expenses, go to your favorite club, and have a good time. You not only imagine it, but you also make it all natural and become happy. The most important aspect of the procedure is feeling it as if it is real for yourself. Remember that you can't materialize your desires if you can't experience them as real. You will not be able to materialize your desire if you have any kind of uncertainty or negative thought, because negative thoughts prevent you from manifesting your desire. Visualizing your wish with emotions and feelings is essential because emotions and feelings readily convince your mind. Visualize for at least 10 minutes each time. Visualize the scenario you've written over and over until your mind begins believing it. Of course, your mind is going to resist at first. However, if you keep envisioning a scenario full of emotions and feelings, you will begin to believe it. Your wish will be externalized in tangible form when your mind believes it is real. When you decide to envision your wish, make sure you are calm and alone with no distractions. You'll shut yourself off from the rest of the natural world. How does it feel to visualize your wish and feel yourself a part of that scenario? Receiving a message on your smartphone informing you that your account has been credited $5,000. How do you feel when you repay your loans? What does it feel like to settle your bills and purchase everything you want? You must experience those emotions profoundly and internalize them. Let me state that once you internalize these emotions, your desire will be externalized naturally. According to Neville Goddard, if you can create something in your mind, you can easily create that thing in your 3D world because the real world is your imagination, and the world around you is a reflection of your inner world. Even the people in your life and surroundings are reflections of you. If you want them to act differently toward you, you must first change yourself, and their behavior will follow suit. You are the ruler of your being and the entire universe. Your entire existence is the result of the thoughts you have. Your thoughts created the occurrences that happened in your existence. He claims that when you envision something, it reflects your mind. The truth is that life only gives us experiences that correspond to our belief system because it is a universal rule. Whatever your opinion is, life will provide you with hundreds of examples to back it up. So you must now assume that your wish has manifested and that you are living it despite the fact that it has not. When it becomes your belief, it becomes externalized, and you begin to experience it in real life. So in this method, you'll take some sticky notes, write your goals on them, and place them around your house, bedroom, or office. You can repeat these mantras loudly whenever you see them to ensure that they reach your subconscious mind. You can improve the effectiveness of this method by merging it with visualizations. Visualizations and affirmations are the two most effective ways of putting your desired thoughts in your mind. Affirmations are only words, but when combined with visuals, they perform far beyond your hopes. So this is the entire procedure, and it takes a few days. Regardless of your goal, if you are consistent and think positively about it, you can use this easy method to attract and materialize it in your life. Your beliefs will manifest what you desire in form in the external universe. If you have a bigger wish, you must be more consistent because it may take longer, and if you do not trust in it, it will never come true. The 3D universe you live in symbolizes your thoughts, and you can always experience a different life. If you are currently experiencing pain, worry, or sadness, you can simply overcome it. According to Neville Goddard, a new world is just an idea away. Think about it from a different angle, act on a different concept, and observe how things change. You understand that a single idea can alter how you live, so you must focus on and monitor your thoughts. The primary goal of the technique I've described here is to change your thoughts. Because of your thoughts, you have manifested your present life. If you want to live a completely different life or reality, the solution is in your head. Just get your thoughts out of it, and you'll get out of it because you can hold in your hands what you can hold in your mind. What comes out of your mind is what comes out of your existence. It takes less time to construct something in your head than it does to build it in real life. It becomes yours, so begin to imagine it as yours. Begin convincing your mind that it is yours and you are experiencing it, and then watch for a shift in your life. I trust I was able to provide a thorough analysis of Neville Goddard's statement. Of course, this does not mean that we agree with everything he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, which is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people worldwide. If you want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell symbol for more fascinating, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.